Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a navbar in Figma. First, open Figma and create a new frame, perhaps 1440 pixels wide by 80 pixels high, to serve as your navigation bar's container. Next, add your primary navigation links as individual text layers, such as Home, About, and Services. Then, select all these text layers and apply Auto Layout, setting the direction to horizontal and adding some spacing between items, perhaps 32 pixels. Now, let's refine the appearance of your navigation. Select your text layers and choose a clear, readable font, perhaps 24 pixels in size with a medium weight. Apply a consistent color, like a dark gray. Within the Auto Layout settings, add horizontal padding to each item, maybe 16 pixels on both sides, and vertical padding of 8 pixels. You can also give your main navbar frame a subtle background color, like a light gray, for better visual separation. To enhance interactivity, let's add a few more elements. Place your logo on the far left, ensuring it aligns vertically with your navigation links. For call to action, create a button by adding a text layer like Sign Up, then wrapping it in an auto layout frame with a background fill and rounded corners, perhaps 4 pixels. Position this button on the far right. Ensure all these elements are within the main auto layout frame of your navbar, maintaining consistent spacing, maybe 48 pixels between the navigation and the button. Finally, let's think about responsiveness. Duplicate your completed desktop navbar. For a mobile version, you might reduce the number of visible links and replace them with a hamburger menu icon on the right. Adjust the overall width of this new frame to a typical mobile size, such as 375 pixels. Ensure all elements, including your logo and the new menu icon, are properly aligned and have appropriate padding, perhaps 20 pixels on the sides, to maintain a clean and functional design across different devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.